Okay, fourth attempt on this video. If this phone freezes on me, I'm just gonna upload it and it will go from there. But this is an LG 10,000 BTU window AC that I got off the curb for free. And I just tested it, and it does appear to work. The fan motor is complete shot. Well, the bearings, but that's an easy fix. I could do that myself, so that's not really a big issue. Gonna need a little help on it, but my friend was willing to do that with me. You tear it out of the case, but it's a slide out chassis. And the compressor, I put my breath on the thermocouple. And the LG electronic, or the lousy garbage electronic rotary compressor did kick on, and it blows cold. It still has R22 in it, 14.6 ounces. Well, I don't know how much of the R22 it has left, because the compressor only ran for like a brief second. But my dog wants to go in. If this phone freezes on me again, I need to update this phone. These things go for like $20. Now the fan motor, is an issue, but it does blow cold and it does work. Yeah, that fan motor's going to need a little bit of work, but that's not. The compressor kicked on. Compressor's not going to run for that long since I only put my breath on the thermocouple, but it gets cold. Yeah, compressor kicked off. Alright, this might need a look from the inside, so let's take it out of the case. Take out the GFCI. There's the fan in there. This higher fan motor. Piece of garbage fan motor that's in these things, but you live and you learn. I should have brought my tripod out here, but we'll see if we can slide it out of the case. See if we could take a look at it from the inside. Alright, there's the casing. Here's the unit itself. Now, let's see if we could find the culprit, because it definitely works. Yeah, this higher fan motor. There's the higher piece of garbage fan motor that they use in these things, and also the blade is hitting the coil. But that's not really a big concern, because the compressor let's see about this compressor, shall we? This is the LG model QK145CB. Serial number is 74H03010SD. I believe this one's from 2003 or 2004. One of the two. It's definitely a high hours unit, I could tell you that. I don't see it. Nothing's jumping out at me. Oh God. I don't know what this is. Now the coil, the rear coil is definitely rotted. But that's not really a big issue since most of these units actually do that. Fuck, I wish my friend was here. Yeah, nothing's really jumping out at me. This thing works. It doesn't work well, but it works. The compressor might be a little issue, but... Well, the fan motor might be a little issue, but... I can work with the fan motor. It's not really a big issue. Nothing's really jumping out at me on the refrigeration side of the unit. Ooh, excuse me. The compressor definitely has a bit of rust on it. Now I'm gonna do a little video on it, which... Look at that giant freaking capacitor. Maybe it's the capacitor. Maybe the capacitor could have gone out on it, and that's why the compressor keeps kicking off, but... It said, the guy said it doesn't get cold. It got cold. It has a little bit, well, it has just enough of R22 in it. Here's a data plate if you want to know the information. It's got just enough of R22 in it. So nothing's really popping out at me. On the refrigeration line here, I don't see anything that could cause a slow leak. Here's the suction accumulator. I don't see anything with the suction accumulator. That's probably standard. I think most units look like that. The line going from the compressor over here to the evaporator. Now the evaporator is where most leaks happen. I don't see any bent copper. Unless I could be missing something. Yeah, I really don't see what this thing could be suffering from. Well, I do see what it can be suffering from. The base pan is rotted completely. But that's normally not really an issue, but it can be. Is that a wire? Yeah, that's a wire. Okay, I thought that was a copper tube. I'm gonna have to slide this back into the case as well. But I guess I could just leave it over there. And I could sell it off Marketplace. Well, fix it up, sell it off Marketplace. But I'm gonna call my friend now and see what he has to say on this.